Upon signing up to ACT365 via the Interact portal, you'll receive 2 emails. The first email is confirmation of your direct debit mandate. Also attached is the ACT reseller agreement. Once happy, upon reviewing the documentation, you can click Get Started. By clicking Get Started, you are agreeing to the terms and conditions. Upon doing so, another email will be sent to complete registration. This allows you to set up your password and log into your ACT365 account for the first time. The web address for ACT365 is www.act365.eu. We now type in our email we registered with and our newly created password. Here we are for the first time logged into ACT365 in the installer portal. As you can see, the layout is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. Here on the right we have a map that will display locations of customers and sites. In the middle we have a summary of installed ACT365 ACUs and door health across all sites. And then to the far left we have a quick link for adding customers and viewing them. Also a widget to give us a summary of the latest firmware and how many of our ACUs are not updated. We are now going to add our first customer to ACT365. We simply click Add Customer and fill out the fields required. For this demo I'm going to base it on a fake distribution company, Global Deliveries Direct, that have a distribution centre in both Ireland and the UK. The company require access control on both warehouses. However, this example is just going to look at adding an ACT ACU to the Irish warehouse. I'm going to fill in these details now and continue. I have now entered my fake customer's details. I've made up a company called Global Deliveries Direct. I've filled in all the details such as the administrator email, who's going to be looking after the account on the customer side, the administrator name, the site where it's located, GDD, Global Deliveries Direct Irish Warehouse, the time zone. On the right, who is contactable within the company, I've used the same details again, and the address of where it is. As soon as I hit save now, an email will be sent to whomever I've defined as ACT365 administrator email address. So I'm going to hit save here now and check all my emails are correct, and here we go. Only until such a time when we have added a customer and a site can we add an ACU. So in order to do this, we select customers and we'll see a list of all my existing customers. I only currently have one. I select the Enter Customer Portal button, and once this loads I then select Add 365 ACU. So once you've powered up your ACU, you have it mounted on the wall. On the inside of the box there is a CUID, a controller unique ID number. It's only a matter of typing in that unique ID number into this box. And then we give it a name, and we'll call this front door and enable the local web server. And that is how simple it is to add an ACU onto a customer site. So click Save. ACT365 ACU successfully added. And hey presto, in a couple of moments the controller has come online. We have a tick mark there saying connected. It's detected its firmware as well. So what we can do now is we can go back to the customer home. Then we can select access control, select doors, and then we should be able to highlight the door in question, our first door we've added on, and we can send it a command to ensure we're communicating with it. So let's select the pass command, which will open the door momentarily. Success, one door passed and the ACU has clicked. The relay has changed state. And that is how easy it is to add on an ACU unit onto ACT365. Okay, just to bring you back to the point of when I hit save, when I created a new customer, an email was simultaneously sent to that person to invite them to use ACT365. So we're just awaiting the email now for them to receive. And success, I have received an email from ACT admin, new ACT365 account. Welcome to ACT365. By clicking complete registration, you agree to the terms and conditions. So I'm going to click in here, and then I'm going to complete registration as the end user after being receiving this email from the installer. So I'm going to create a password here, type in my existing email, and then I'm going to type in a new password here. Okay, and let's see if I'm successful. Hit reset and await the result. Well, hey, your password has been reset. Please click here to log in. So now I can log in as a customer into ACT365. Okay, so I'm going to click on the link here, and I'm going to type in my email address and password to access the end user portal or the customer portal. So I'm going to hit log in here now and see if I'm successful, and we are in. This is the end user side of the ACT365 portal. In summary, this tutorial covered completing installer registration, adding a customer and a site, adding an ACU to a customer site, and lastly, the process involved in adding a customer login to their site.